Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we have recently had come in stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q5 S-Line with the 40 TDI engine and the Quattro S-Tronic automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. This particular model is finished in the stunning Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre diesel engine you get 201 brake horsepower with 400 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 around 7.4 seconds, whilst having plenty of space for you and all the family, especially on your week away holiday. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 19-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork and tying in really nicely the S-Line styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened with a touch of a button and reveals ample room for your everyday essentials. There is also plenty of space for your family luggage should you choose to use it for your week away holiday. The interior is finished in part leather and part Alcantara for maximum luxury, and for the comfort we have a centre armrest in the rear with tri-zone climate control so the rear passengers can set a different temperature to those in the front. Both outer seats are also fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather S-Line multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with S badge embossing at the top and are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice controls and mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. With the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation so you never feel disconnected. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist, which brings up the front and rear sensors and rear camera to make even top parking in those tight supermarket car parks all the easier. And thanks to the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures, or you can synchronise all three if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 little heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you do like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.